Lacking some colors in your life? Bored with regular candies? Going to amaze your friends with unusual sizes of their favorite yummies? Then hurry up to watch our new video with creative ideas of giant and miniature candies. Redhead is too active today. She has done all gymnastic exercises outdoors. And I just enjoy fresh air and Instagram. Why exhaust yourself with workouts? And I've got gummy Haribo to keep spirits up. My gymnast friend comes up as soon as she hears the sound of unwrapping. But she is afraid to gain excess weight eating regular candies. I've got a smart idea of how to fix it. Take Haribo gummies out of the package and put them into a microwave for a few seconds. Cut out the center of the candies with a round cap. Cut off a piece of the package and wrap the mini candies with it. I offer my mini Haribo to my friend. This is a whole different story now. Redhead loves tiny gummies. She swallows the entire package in a moment. I'm out of the candies too. The only disadvantage of the mini Haribo is that there is never enough of it. Blondie brings some jam to eat with tea. She cooked it all by herself. No preservatives, only vitamins. This is why you need to eat it quickly. Dolly has an idea. She intends to apply her diminishing magic. Really? You'll fail to do it to my jam. But Dolly is sure about her power. Jammius Dominicus. It works! Put jam into a tiny bottle. Stopper it with a cork. Draw a label on paper and attach it to the bottle. Take a patterned napkin and cut out a circle. Cut out a mini rubber band out of a balloon. Cover the bottle with the circle and put on the tiny rubber band. Dolly is ready to taste the jam. There aren't a lot of calories in this little portion. And she finishes the entire bottle in one gulp. Let's see if she copes with a chocolate bar that fast. But it's no regular Mars. Let it be its giant twin. Surprise! We will need peanut nougat. Remove the top gummy embellishments. Melt equal amounts of white and dark chocolate. We take 7 ounces of each. Spread it on parchment paper to get a thin layer. Put 4 nougat blocks. Cut the 5th one and put it on the end. Cover it with dulce de leche and put a thick layer of melted chocolate on top. Make a wrapper from a big black paper piece. Cut out a Mars chocolate bar logo and attach it to the wrapper. Hot glue it and cut the edges of the wrapper to make a zigzag. Put in the big bar. Blondie is excited. Well, my friend, how are you going to deal with this giant chocolate bar? This Mars looks like a whole planet. Dolly takes the first bite upon Mars. Oh, it tastes amazing! I can share the yummy with my friend. Liquid bubblegum is a real yummy, but there is a problem. It doesn't fit into my jeans pockets. There is a whole stash there. A mirror, a phone, lip gloss, mascara, and other essential treasures. There is no place for a big bubblegum here. What should I do? Cut a mini travel toothpaste tube and clean it from the inside. Coat the tube with acrylic ground and paint the cap blue. Fill the tube with liquid bubblegum. Hot glue the cut. and attach a mini label. A miniature tube is exactly what I need, and it fits in the smallest pocket easily. Because I'm a pocket management genius.